Class 6A. Class 6A, we are doing the lesson Urban Livelihoods. This is the last chapter in civics and we are marking now the exercises. Exercise C we have already done. I repeat, exercise D, question number 1 and 5. I will send you after the class is over. 2, 3 and 4 you have already marked. Today we shall mark exercise E, question number 1 to 4 of the chapter Urban Livelihoods. Sorry, question number E1 of the chapter Urban Livelihoods. Discuss the life of vendors and hawkers. How do they face problem? Page number 107 of the new book. Right side, last paragraph. Sorry, right side, last paragraph. Begin. Most of these people are migrants. Several of them collectively rent a room in a cheap locality. They have to cook and wash themselves. Some of them, whose earnings are meager, spend the night on pavement. During the day, they leave behind items like tins, cans, stoves, and bundles on the pavements. Close the bracket. Again open the bracket. In the next line, after returning from work in the night, they cook and sleep on the pavement. This is answer number E1. I repeat, page number 107, last paragraph. Most of these people are migrant. Close the bracket at pavement. Again open the bracket at after returning and close the bracket at pavement again. This is answer number E1. E2. Describe an office area of a city. Make a circle and write down notes. Make a circle on E2 and write down notes. I will send you this answer. Question number E3. Write a brief note on each of the following. Casual worker, permanent worker and call centers. I will send you this answer also in the notes. And question number 4. Do you think casual or temporary workers in a company should be given facilities and benefits at par with the permanent staff? Why and why not? Means all these three questions. Question number 2, question number 3, A and B, and question number 4 I will send you. Put a tick on question number 3C, call centers. Put a tick on question number E3, C part, call centers. This is same as C4. Same as C4. So that's it with this chapter. If there is anything that you want to ask, you can ask me just now. Turn to page number 106 of this chapter. Let us do a recap. Page number 106. A boy along with his uncle has gone in a big city to find out how is the life of people in an urban area. They went to market area, they went to a dentist. Later on, they met a rickshaw puller whose name is Rampreet. Rampreet told him how he and his wife are both handling the situation monetarily of their family. Later on, they met some of the hawkers, street hawkers, who are selling things on road. I hope you are following the book. I'm discussing from page number 108 now. Next is the market area. In the market area, they saw some of the shops which are selling electronics, some shops which are selling garments, some other shops. There are some doctors' clinics also, and there are some food joints as well. Uncle and the boy, while they were hungry, they ate something at the market area, and then later on they took a bus. Then they arrived at the factory area. The factory area had a factory. It was on the outskirt. It was outside, a little outside the city, on the outer area. The factory where they went to, the owner was one of uncle's friend. They went inside and saw some of the permanent and some of the temporary workers. Then the uncle's friend told them what is the difference between the temporary and the permanent workers. How the permanent workers get all the benefits, the holidays, extra money, the provident fund, how their working hours are limited, how their job is guaranteed and all that. Then they took the taxi and came back. There was another section in the urban area, that is the office area. In the office area, they met Mr. Sohan Mishra, who was an MBA and he was managing a office. That office was for a garment factory. Later on, they talked about a call center also, which is a very common culture these days. And these call centers are a common culture in German and European countries. Somehow in India also this call center culture is also increasing. So they got to know about the call centers. Later on we discussed the glossary, exercise A, B and C, D and E is to be done in the copy. So with this we come to the end of the civics section. I hope you have got the syllabus and you know all the 4 chapters. Out of the first chapter, please turn to the chapter What is government? What is government? It is on page number 111. Page number 111 of your books, the chapter What is government? This is the first term chapter and only exercise C from this lesson is your syllabus for second term. Exercise C will also come in final exam. Okay? Exercise C of this chapter. Page number 117. There is exercise C. Very short answers. This exercise calls for your syllabus in the second term also. And the other chapters in the second term are key elements of a democratic government, urban administration, and urban livelihoods. So if there is a confusion with any of these chapters, you can ask me. The remaining 3 chapters, key elements, urban administration and urban livelihoods, all the exercises are your final term syllabus. And do read the lesson because there can be questions from between the chapter as well.